Greetings smartwatch fans! Babalikan ulit natin ang Huawei Band 10. At sa video na ito, titingnan natin, susubukan natin yung notification feature ng Huawei Band 10 kasama na rin yung quick reply. May nag-comment kasi, nagtatanong, nag-work ba to sa Messenger at sa WhatsApp application. So titingnan natin, magde-demo tayo ng WhatsApp at kasama na rin yung Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Titingnan natin. And of course, papakita rin natin yung quick reply feature ng Huawei Band 10. So sa mga nagtatanong at gustong makita, ito na yung video na i-demo natin para sa inyo. And of course, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so start tayo. Subukan na natin ang notification feature ng smartwatch na ito. Okay, so increase muna natin yung screen display brightness. Then next, ano nga bang app na susubukan natin? WhatsApp. Yan. Okay, so send tayo ng message. Hello, WhatsApp. Yan. Then, lagyan natin ng emoji. Try natin. Yun. Okay, send tayo ng message. Makaka-receive ba tayo ng message? Ayun. So, ito. So, merong name ng application, may logo. Name ng sender. At merong message. Yun. Then, meron tayong quick reply. So, pwede kang mag-send ng message, predefined message, or ito. Okay, emoji. Subukan nga natin muna yung emoji. Okay, message sent. Ayun. So, okay. Again. Message sent. Subukan naman natin yung quick reply. Okay. Thanks. Ayan. Okay, so far, nagwo-work yung Huawei Band 10 with the WhatsApp application. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa WhatsApp application. So, try naman natin yung Messenger. So, magwo-work ba sa Messenger? Okay, so try natin. Okay, kumustahin natin si Kaloy. Hello, Kaloy. Miss you. Ayun. Okay, so lagay tayo ng emoji. Okay, try natin kung magwo-work. Message sent. Delivered. Hopefully, makaka-receive tayo ng notification. Okay, wala pa rin. Medyo delayed. Hello. Again. Okay, ayun. Okay, so naka-receive tayo ng message from Chloe. Say hello again. So, the same yung sa nauna nating application ng WhatsApp. Meron tayong logo. Name ng sender. Then, yung message. Tingnan nga natin. Ayan. Hello, Kaloy. Miss you. Ayun. Okay. Ba't walang emoji? Okay. Try nga ulit natin yung emoji. So, walang emoji tayong natanggap. Okay. Hindi siguro supported yung emoji na to. Subukan natin yung isa. Okay. So, walang support for emoji kapag nag-send ka ng emoji from Messenger. Okay, pero pwede kang mag-reply ng emoji. Okay, yun. Okay, hello again. Predefined message. Yes. Ayan. Okay. So, nagbo-work. Again, hello. Try ulit nga natin. Clap hands. Okay, so hello lang. Okay, walang emoji. Pero pwede kang mag-reply ng emoji. Yan. Okay, so it works. How about yung call? Titingnan natin kung meron tayong call notification. And call. Ayan. Okay, so call notification works with our Huawei Band 10. Okay? So, sa WhatsApp, hindi natin subukan. Okay, try nga natin ulit. Okay, call. Okay, continue lang natin yung permission. Calling Carlos. And, okay, incoming voice call. Okay, so pwede ka mag-reply. Yun. Okay. Reply tayo ng emoji. Okay. So, there's no support for emoji kapag nagsasend ka from application to your Huawei Band 10. Pero, from Huawei Band 10 to the application, merong support for emoji. Okay. So, yun. That's it sa ating demo ng Huawei Band 10. Huawei Band 10 Messenger at WhatsApp application. And so far, nagwo-work naman yung notification feature ng Huawei Band 10. Okay? Yung sinubukan natin, WhatsApp and Messenger. Kung may mga katanungan kayo about sa demo, drop lang ng comment sa baba. And of course, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Bye!